All right, today is chick move day. We're going to be moving these guys into the larger brooder that's out into the garage, and we're going to be moving the laying hens into the coop with the bigger chickens. Just wanted you guys to see what meat birds look like at almost 2 weeks old. Not quite 2 weeks. Look at you. Gaining in size. Their legs start to get very large and thick, and they're already not as agile when trying to move around. They sit down a lot. They're not chickens, they're little pigs. Oh my goodness, do they eat a lot and drink a lot. So we're going to be upgrading their feeders today, of course, because they're really using like the tiny chick feeders. Look at that. So big. Oh my goodness, careful of the light. Oh, you're getting right in there? Here, what you should do, honey, hold that there. Yep. Gently, there you go. You got it? You want some help? Here you go. There we go. I gotta fix that. So did you bring 2 at a time over or just 1 at a time?
2.
You're able to carry 2?
Dad got 1 and I got 1.
Oh, okay, I gotcha. So we need to do 1 at a time right now.
So 2 of these girls are boys, and one of the boys tried to like.
You think? These shouldn't be boys at all, but sometimes it could be.
What if these two, see these two with
Uh-huh.
the little mohawks?
With the
That one
mohawks.
and that one, the rest of the one and that one's white.
Yeah.
These 2 were fighting each other earlier.
We could have gotten some roosters by mistake. That's not good though. They're supposed to all be laying hens. We'll see. All right, which one do you want to grab? There you go. Perfect. You want help getting out? Look at you. What a big boy.
It's like chicken strips.
Hold on to it good. Okay. All the chickens are like, who are the new girls? We got some new people in here. Whoop. There you go. I got it for you, bud.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Did you bump her?
No, that thing hit her.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm sorry, girl.
She's all right. All right. All right, come on. The other ones that are in there, they're like, what is this? This is how Dad updated and improved this door area. We needed a better way to get in and out of there, so I guess this was the quick solution for that. And this is where we can put food and water in and out. Clean out their brooder that they were in. Oh, they're all like hugging each other. And then we will put the meat birds outside. Hi, babies. Relocating to a new home. Oh. A big one. This one's like get right. Last one. Oh my goodness. How's everybody doing? So this will be their new home until we get the outdoor chicken tractor built, but much bigger for them, more space, cleaner bedding, and we can get that smell out of our basement. I will say these birds are a lot dirtier than laying hens. They're a lot smellier, so we're glad to have them out of the house.